Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix lag in games using the NVIDIA control panel on a PC. Let's get started. First, open the NVIDIA control panel on a PC. Once it opens, look at the left menu under 3D settings. Click on Manage 3D Settings. Here you can adjust settings to improve performance and reduce lag. In the Global Settings tab, change these options: Power Management Mode, Low Latency Mode, Texture, Filtering, Vertical Sync. These changes make your CPU run efficiently and reduce frame drop that cause lag. If your monitor supports it, go to the Setup G-Sync in the left menu. Enable G-Sync or FreeSync to synchronize your GPU with your monitor, which makes gameplay smoother and reduce screen tearing or stutter. You can also go to Program Settings to apply this performance settings for specific games. Select a game, adjust the same options and click Apply. This helps reduce lag in individual games without affecting others' program. And that's it. By following this step, your game should run smoother and lag should be reduced. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next